Hi everybody, welcome to RVing Done Our Way. Today is a good day. We are so excited because we have so much to show you. You will not believe what we have decided to do. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back to RVing Done Our Way. Well, we decided to renovate the motorhome. And we're going to share with you the things that we're going to do with it, and hopefully you like what we do with our motorhome. So we'll be right back and show you what we've done so far. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, well, we've been doing a lot of stripping in the motorhome. So I'm going to run you through real quick what we're going to do here, but I'm not going to give up any hints of colors and all that because my wife, she's behind the camera over there, and she says no, she wants it to be a surprise. So I'm just going to tell you what we're going to do. Basically, I was going to pull this carpet and do it all in natural wood, but because it's a sound deadener for the noise of the motor, we're not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it. So now that you know what I'm doing with the carpet, I want to show you what we've done to the cabinets because we stripped everything down. So we took, I don't know where to start. We took all the doors and the hinges off of here, which the hinges are going to be painted and everything. We found that hinges are too expensive, and so are the handles, and we're like everybody else when it gets to RVing. We're on a budget, a very small budget. So we took all the doors off, and I stripped everything, our cushions, excuse the mess, but I'm not going to pull everything out of here and bring it back in. I will, and I'll find time for her phone to go off. But anyway, we took all these doors off and hinges, all the accessories, the closet doors, all the cabinets are going to be painted, all the walls are going to be, this is going to be a totally different motorhome when we get done. We took the door off, the door is going to be a different color. We took the mirrors, everything, all the doors. Everything's getting redone. Like I said, we're not going to tell you what colors we're going to do them in. That's a surprise. We're going to put a new floor down. We're going to put a natural wood floor down on here. I don't like the linoleum. I did like it, but you know, my wife don't like the wood grain look. So she wants it. You know, we're going to be here full time. You got to be happy with where you lay your head. And the ceiling's going to stay the same. All the framing on the windows are going to get painted. Everything in here is getting painted. A lot of the lighting is going to get changed. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep you in suspense, and we'll show you everything what we're going to do and how we do it, and hopefully you'll like it.
So when I first came up with this idea, I didn't think it would be too bad. Seems pretty easy when you watch videos on YouTube, right? Sitting from the comfort of your couch, sipping your drink, and just watching them do all the work, them speeding it up. Well, it was a lot of work, I'll tell you that much. Taking everything out of the motorhome was an adventure all on itself. Check it out. I'm going to show you a little bit of footage of that, and then we'll get into how we're dealing with it all.
This is all we need. Follow me to make believe and make your dreams come true. This night means forever, and so does me and you. Till something better came along.
So, now that he showed you everything in the motorhome and everything that he has to do, I'm going to share with you what I have to do. We have our work cut out, but I am so excited to get started. So, check it out. So, this is our upstairs bedroom. And boy, is it packed. We have so much going on. This is the dinette table. We're gonna resurface it. It's not gonna look like this. It's kind of ugly. Check it out. Looks like it has freckles. Lots of them. That's not gonna be like that much longer. Then we have these cushions. Can someone explain to me why all of the cushions in motorhomes have to have this funky design? I'm not liking it. Not even a little bit. So that's gonna be gone too. We're gonna dye those. Bathroom door. I thought I wanted it that color. Not anymore. More dinette cushions. Then we have these balances. We're going to keep those and change the color on those. Captain chairs. Oh, goodness. So ugly. Can't do it. Gotta go. Closet mirror doors. Those are going to be painted. All of this trim, all of these doors. And boy, there are a lot of doors. Check it out. Look at all these doors. They all have to be scrubbed down and painted. Oh, I can't wait to see the end result.